Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card you choose for your business this year could quietly put thousands of dollars back into your pocket, or slowly leak money through missed rewards and hidden inefficiencies without you ever noticing? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Understanding the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card in 2025 could change the way you run your business finances. The Signify Business Cash Card is one of Wells Fargo's most straightforward and quietly powerful business credit cards. It does not scream luxury. It does not overwhelm you with complicated bonus categories. Instead, it offers something many business owners actually need more than flashy perks. It offers simplicity, predictability, and strong everyday cashback. But the surprising truth about this card is that it works incredibly well for a certain type of business owner and barely at all for another. So let's slow down and walk through what this card really is, how it works, what it offers, and who should seriously consider it in 2025. This is a business credit card designed for small business owners, freelancers, consultants, online sellers, contractors, and anyone who has legitimate business expenses. You do not need to be a large company. Sole proprietors, side hustlers, and small teams can all qualify. One of the main attractions of the Signify Business Cash Card is its flat-rate cashback structure. Instead of having rotating categories, confusing bonus tiers, or spending caps, this card gives you a simple, predictable percentage of cashback on every purchase. In 2025, this flat rate remains one of the strongest in its category, making it ideal for businesses with diverse spending needs. This means whether you are buying office supplies, paying for software subscriptions, covering shipping costs, fueling company vehicles, or paying for advertising, you earn the same solid cashback rate on everything. There is no need to track categories or activate offers. It just works. You won't believe what happens next for many business owners who switch to a flat rate structure like this. They often discover they were missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year simply because their previous cards did not reward all their spending equally. Now let's talk about the welcome bonus. In 2025, Wells Fargo often offers a generous sign-up bonus when you meet a reasonable spending requirement within the first few months. This bonus alone can be worth several $100s, effectively covering months or even years of everyday business expenses. There is no annual fee for this card. This is a major advantage. It means every dollar of cash back you earn is pure gain. You are not paying just to keep the account open. Interest rates are competitive for a business card, but like all credit cards, you should aim to pay your balance in full each month. The real value of this card is in rewards and cash flow management, not carrying long-term debt. Another powerful feature is employee cards. You can add employee cards at no extra cost. This allows your team to make necessary purchases while you earn rewards on all spending. You can also monitor and manage employee spending through Wells Fargo's account tools. Online account management is robust. You can track spending by category, by employee, and by date. This makes budgeting, expense reporting, and tax preparation much easier. Now let's look at real-world examples. Imagine a freelance marketing consultant who spends money on advertising, software, and travel. With the Signify Business Cash Card, every dollar spent earns cash back. Over a year, this could easily amount to several hundred or even over $1,000 returned directly to the business. Now imagine a small construction business that spends on fuel, tools, materials, and equipment. Instead of juggling multiple category cards, they use the Signify card for everything. The simplicity saves time, the cashback adds up, and the lack of an annual fee means they are not losing money just for access. Customer service is another area where Wells Fargo has been improving steadily. Business support lines are generally responsive, and in-branch support is available for those who prefer face-to-face banking. The Signify card also integrates smoothly with other Wells Fargo business accounts, making it easier to manage cash flow and payments in one ecosystem. So is the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card worth it in 2025? For most small business owners, the answer is a strong yes. If you want simplicity, consistent rewards, no annual fee, and strong cash back on all purchases, this card is one of the best in its class. It may not be ideal for people who want complicated travel perks, airline miles, or luxury lounge access. But for everyday business operations, it is extremely effective. Most people get this wrong by choosing cards based on flashy marketing instead of real spending patterns. The Signify Business Cash Card quietly rewards what businesses actually do every day. So should you choose it or leave it? If you value simplicity, predictability, and strong everyday cash back, This card is absolutely worth it. It can become one of the most reliable financial tools in your business. Your business deserves tools that work as hard as you do. Make your money move smarter, not harder. If this review helped you understand the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card more clearly, make sure you stay connected for more honest financial breakdowns that help your business grow stronger. Your next financial decision could shape your profits for years to come. Choose wisely and build forward.